With the latest video on my channel, I showed you the rising of AI, artificial intelligence, and how we can use AI for our KDP business to create stunning book covers. Artificial intelligence and a combination with Amazon KDP seems a very interesting and rising chapter in YouTube, which get more and more attention. So now we continue how you can use AI for your Amazon KDP business, especially for the section of coloring books. In today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can create good looking coloring pages and books to upload them and sell them on Amazon. Of course, every one of you knows websites like Fabrica, where you can buy coloring book templates, pre-designed pages to use them for Amazon KDP business. But the problem always is that the coloring book pages on those websites are not unique content, because not only you are purchasing those coloring pages, there is a high amount of people out there who purchases the same coloring pages like you and use them for their Amazon KDP business. And this is something that Amazon doesn't like to see, because they want a great customer experience, and there is nothing worse like a customer purchasing two different books with the same coloring book pages. But this is no problem. With the continuing development of artificial intelligence, we can use AI to create us unique and good looking coloring pages. So again, in today's video, we are using ChatGPT 4 and DALL-E 3 in combination to create us outstanding coloring book pages, and it doesn't matter which topic you want to publish a book in. In 5 weeks, it's Christmas time, so I want to show you an example of a Christmas coloring book and what is possible with AI. So in the latest version, DALL-E 3 is included directly in the message function of ChatGPT. And now I'm telling DALL-E 3 to create a coloring page for Christmas with a reindeer. So I gave DALL-E 3 the prompt to create a coloring book page with a big reindeer on it. The coloring book page should be usable for kids, so a big image of a reindeer with enough room for the kid to color in. And as you can see, DALL-E 3 created this image, which you can use directly, copy it in the manuscript of your coloring book. We will continue, and DALL-E 3 now should create us a coloring book page with, for example, a snowman. And as you can see, again, DALL-E 3 made a very good job, created a snowman, and the snowman has enough room for a kid to color it out. There are no limitations in topics, so you can use DALL-E 3 to create coloring book pages for every topic, for example, for Easter or for another time of the year. Of course, you can change the audience from childs or kids into adults. I'm sure that every one of you that searched for coloring books for adults ran into books and covers like this with, for example, animals or flowers, but with a high grade of details on the cover and on the coloring book pages. And now let us try DALL-E 3 out if the AI can produce the same quality for adults with a high grade of details on the image. For example, I gave DALL-E 3 the prompt to create a coloring book page of a lion for adults. And as you can see, DALL-E 3 made a decent job, and with a little optimization, I'm sure that you can create really high and outstanding coloring book pages, unique book pages that are not available for sale on websites like Fabrica. Of course, you can use those images to sell them not only on Amazon, but also on, for example, Fabrica or other websites. And now in the next step, I want to show you exactly how you can use those images to create a book, coloring book on Canva to upload it on Amazon. Of course, you have to download all the images and upload them directly into Canva and create a new design with the size, for example, of 8.5 times 8.5 inches. Then you upload the images into your coloring book manuscript, replace them and make them a little bit bigger. And as you can see, with a simple copy and paste method and dolly free, you are able to make in a very short amount of time a coloring book for kids or adults with, for example, 100 pages. The only thing now is to download the whole manuscript and upload it directly in your Amazon KDP bookshelf and publish it on Amazon. And with a good cover, a good title, good ads, there is a possible chance to sell as good as, for example, those books with a BSR of under 1000 to make a good amount of money. Now we are at the end of this short little video, how to create coloring book pages for kids, for adults, and how to sell them on Amazon. I hope you liked it. If you do so, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't done yet, feel free to subscribe. It's completely free. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day, and we will see you in the next video.